G'day crew, if you're new to our channel, I'm Adam.
And I'm Ciara. We're travelling the big lab around and about Australia in our caravan with our Kelpie dog Reef.
Can't wait to share the adventures with you.
Stick around to find out if Adam burns the caravan down in our first cooking segment. Welcome back guys, this week we're exploring Central Coast, New South Wales.
We're starting at Hallidays Point and finishing off at Port Macquarie.
Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
It's pretty windy. Oh, Reef, he wants to go in, but he's not allowed. After settling into our caravan park, at the birthday boy's request, we headed straight down to the water.
I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, cause I found my way.
Because it's your birthday, do you want to make a wish? That's your candle on your cake. Ooh, how many girlfriends?
I guess I've got 4. Oh look, I wish that there'd be surf, and here's some surf. Look, check out this car. Alright, just found the Australian turkey. So I'm just going to sneak up on it. Check this out, just chilling in the trees. He didn't want to have a chat. Oh, he's caught something. Oh, he's got a worm. Ooh. What do you got? Bit of bush tucker. It's all happening here. To get to this lookout, the trail takes you through the rainforest. There are 2 spots to set off from, which is the Lifesaving Club, which is a shorter walk, or the Lawn Bowls Club. Because we were out of whale watching season, there weren't any whales to be spotted, but it's still a cool view to check out.
I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, cause I found my way. Just wanna be forever young. Yeah, I just wanna be forever young. I'm off the ground, no one can stop me now. Yeah, I just wanna be forever young. The other night, I remember what it felt like. Felt like to be on time and wide-eyed. 예전에 그리워. 굳이 어린애 단달아 이유가 없던 애 바나 Do what I want 돌아가고파 Yeah I don't care 생각 따위는 더 버려던 하루만
Happy birthday to you. Enjoy the brownie. I failed. Hip hip. Oh, there's no one here.
Thanks for that.
Happy birthday. The next day the sun was out, so we headed south. We checked out Tong Curry and Foster. We drove over this bridge, but we saw so many people out and walking along enjoying the sunshine, so we had to join them. It's great when towns make these esplanades dog friendly, because Reef loved it too.
Both spots had plenty of cafes to check out, and at this location, it's perfect for any water activities. Together. This fence can't withstand love.
That's right, folks. Sadly, the council will remove any love padlocks that you leave behind.
Check out this view. G'day guys, so we're just come from Tong.
Yep, and Foster.
Yeah, just a small little coastal town.
Yeah, so we took advantage of the sun being out. It's been raining a little bit.
Yeah, had a bit of a drizzle last night.
But yeah, we did the Tong Foster bridge walk that sort of links the two towns, which is pretty awesome.
Yeah, must be heaps of fish in there because everyone had their rods out today.
The water was so clear, but beautiful little towns. We then headed up to check out the Bennett's Head lookouts. So easy place to park, and you can just sort of do a short walk in between about 3 or 4 little lookouts right next to each other.
I recommend having someone big go in front, like Ciara did, and then so they get all the spider web that's across the path the whole time.
But anyway, it's really good. There's a bicentennial walk, it's called, but basically it links all the lookouts and it goes right down past the tanks, which is like a rock pool swimming area, and like an ocean pool that they've got as well, but no dogs permitted there.
So unfortunately we couldn't go and check it out.
We just did the lookouts that we were allowed at. But yeah, so now we're just going to head back near where we're staying. We're going to pop down to Diamond Head. Diamond Beach, yeah. Diamond Beach. And yeah, to see if it's any good for a swim today.
Looks like it is. So yeah, we'll see what's going on.
Reef will go in anyway. So we're just having a little bit of a nosy. So we popped into Tall Woods, which is basically a fancy little suburb with a golf course and community, what do you call it, country club. But
across the road from our caravan park that we're staying at.
Yeah.
So I thought, yeah, check it out. And then we saw a property for sale. Thought maybe it's time to upgrade and leave the redwood hut that we had.
Yep, in Beechworth.
So this is our new house. It's not much to look at now, but
it's a fixer-upper. So It's a bit of a steep hill to get up, so that's one of the cons, I guess, to consider.
Be good on the skateboard.
Yeah, bad if you dropped a basketball or something. So that's something we need to consider. But yeah, we've got a couple of blocks still for sale here on this road, so we thought we'd check out one in particular and show you what it looks like, get your thoughts on it. View's not too bad.
So you want to be mates with the guy at the end of the street to get all your stuff back when you drop it from the top.
It's pretty steep. Doesn't show up on camera as good, but it was like vertical. Things, bin, picnic table, dog poo bags, good parking.
Look what we found in Taree.
The big oyster.
Ta-da! Alright, so today is a travel day. We've just come up the road to Taree, about a half an hour drive so far this morning. Just a mid-stop. We found this massive oval for us to stretch the legs and let Reef run off for a bit.
Yeah, so this is kind of what we do on travel days. We'll just pick somewhere halfway between our destinations. So aside from a break, it's also a good way to sort of explore a few more towns along the journey.
Yeah.
So we're headed to Port Macquarie next.
Yeah, so we're there 4 nights, so that'll be good. On the coast as well.
Yep. And we'll just hit all those popular New South Wales coastal towns. So we'll do Coffs Harbour, we'll also do Byron, and then we'll head our way up towards the Gold Coast.
And me. This wonderland, it belongs to us, you will see.
Port Macquarie is known for its beautiful beaches, scenic hiking trails and the Koala Hospital.
Town Beach Coastal Walk features these painted rocks. Some are memorials, quotes, family murals. We even saw some mosaic artworks. Definitely worth the look.
Make sure to pop into the Visitor Centre for a map of the Koala Sculpture Trail. There's over 87 to find as you sightsee throughout the town.
This lighthouse was built way back in 1879 and is quite the picture postcard on this rocky headland with panoramic ocean views. We were lucky enough to spot a pod of dolphins while we were here.
We recommend you get here pretty early in the morning just because there's so many tourists, but no wonder when the view speaks for itself.
That's big dogs there.
Woohoo! We've come down the beach and there's camels.
Yep.
We're not even in Broome. Would you believe it? Port Central Shopping Centre welcome your fur baby inside to shop with you. There's water bowls and bags at designated pet comfort stations for any accidents. Our caravan park was right next to Town Beach, making it perfect for coastal walks and a quick trip to the local Richie's IGA and their addictive popcorn.
A day trip to Burrito State Forest to find a dog-friendly walking trail. The old bottle butt is the largest red bloodwood tree in the southern hemisphere.
The spectacular tree has significant natural heritage value and is estimated to be more than 200 years old. Its girth is more than 16 metres just above its base.
G'day. So we're down here at Bottle Butt
Bottle butt.
Bottle
The
Butt
old
tree.
bottle butt tree.
Yeah, it's written somewhere over there. Real short walk.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
It's only 600 metres. So
A
it's
round trip, yeah.
super easy.
Yep.
Just lots of midgies.
Yeah,
bring
absolutely
We got nailed.
peppered our legs. But yeah, super easy track to walk on. It's insane the size of the tree. It's just crazy the height.
Nice rainforest feel in a state park, which is good because we can take Reef rather than missing out on national parks for the same sort of vibe.
And
That's cool.
today's 30 degrees and it was beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, under all that canopy.
The shade. But yeah, unfortunately, no koalas,
No
so they're still on the list.
So they haven't ticked that one off, but hopefully one day we'll see something
By the
out
time
in the
we get
wild.
home. Otherwise, it'll be a quick trip to Perth Zoo. Alright everybody, so we are going to show you one of the easy meals that we do on the road. So this one's super yummy, great for leftovers, and you can pretty much substitute anything you want that you've got in your pantry. So it's basically a burrito bowl. We're going to do like a Mexican beef and rice kind of dish. So this is all the stuff that you need. So we've got the main stuff is rice. You can have any rice you want. I just find these on special a lot and they're easy because they've already got all the spices. You don't have to pack loads of spices in the Caravan. Same goes for the taco seasoning. Any brand's fine. Normally you would do black beans with something like this, but 4-bean mix is what we had in the cupboard. Corn kernels, lean minced beef. You can also use chicken if you prefer that. Cheese, Doritos for garnishing. Adam likes his perones. I've got sour cream and just a selection of veggies, so tomato, lettuce, carrot, that kind of thing. Okay, so
let's rock and roll. So what am I chopping up?
We'll do onions because onions make me cry, so you can do the onions.
Yeah.
And we have washed our hands.
Even I have. Alright, how much do you want off it?
So you only need a small amount, so maybe like, yeah, that should do. Just enough to sort of season the mince in the pan. And you just finely dice.
A few moments later.
How you going there, mate? Doing a good job.
1 hour later.
Good knife skills. Like a pro.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to heat up our fry pan with just a bit of oil. Spice, baby. So next we're chopping up some capsicum. Reef is already in the prime position, ready for anything that we might drop. Alright, so we're just going to move that onto another chopping board to get out of the way. So we're going to use the one that I melted on the stove because we're such good master chefs here.
Yeah.
Smell-o-vision. Alright, mince is ready to go in because the onions are browned up. So while that mince is cooking, we're just going to crack on with more veggies, and by we I mean Adam.
Yeah, I feel like I'm doing all the work.
Yeah, I'm head chef.
Actually, yeah, give me, I'll just be cameraman for a bit. And just check on the mince for us, mate.
Yeah, alright mate. She's good. So when the mince is pretty much 99% cooked, just not dried out, we'll start adding in like the seasoning and the rice. So you can of course make up your own kind of seasoning with paprika and garlic and stuff, but I just use those easy taco seasoning mixes. And then rice, any way you want your rice, like I said, but the Mexican rice is super easy. So you can use them in the microwave, but if you don't have a microwave in your setup, just heat them up in the pan, it does the same thing. And just lower the heat. Very precise measurement of tomato paste.
Oh.
That'll do.
One splop.
Yeah. Alright, so now we'll add in the rice. So we're using these babies.
Always give them a quick swoosh before you chuck it in. Just something I do.
Just something you learned?
Just no, it's just you just spread it over. Because if you don't do that, it just comes out and being a big blob, and stuff goes everywhere.
So we're using 2 packets because we like leftovers because this is yummy.
Yeah. So just drain the beans before you chuck it in the pan. And once you've done that, just sprinkle it.
So if you're using black beans like your typical burrito, obviously that doesn't need to go in the mince, you can just plate it up at the end.
Yep.
Some lettuce chopped, some other bits and bumps.
drain out your kernels.
Corn.
Once that's done,
Oh.
there you go, Reef. And just a couple.
This is why he's in the drop zone.
Yeah.
Alright, so she's looking pretty good. So we'll just finish off our little side bits. So we got some cherry tomatoes.
So one I prepared earlier.
Blooper.
Alright, just want one half.
Yeah, the little one we'll use. So we're just adding some lime.
So that can be for us.
Oh, yeah.
And this one. Just sprinkle this salt.
Yep.
And that's it, mate.
Alright. Time to plate up, chef. So we're just spooning the rice and mince mixture in now. So you're going to create a little base. And then we start layering up our little rainbow of veggies we've got here. Okay, and then do you want to do a bit of guac? So we've got some authentic tortilla chips going in here. No extra cheese seasoning at all. Very healthy. How's she looking?
It's one done.
Yum! How good does it look? Mmm, get it in ya. Taste test.
You gotta stir it around first. Oh, it smells so good.
We need smell-o-vision. Good?
Very good.
Woohoo! Beef burrito bowls.
Alright, back to it, guys. We knew this place would be the spot to check out at sunrise, and being that it's our first sunrise over the ocean while being in New South Wales, it didn't disappoint.
Harry's Oceanfront Lookout is a whale watching point, offering scenic views and a carved wood picnic table. The entrance to the lookout area is framed by a carved timber archway, which explains why it's so popular for weddings. If the weather is right, you might even see paragliders here too. Thanks for watching, guys.
We'll see you next time when we're exploring around and about. If you enjoy our adventures, just hit that like and subscribe button and follow along with us.